Hey guys, it's Allie. I hope you're all doing well. So, I have officially graduated from high school and it is just crazy. I cannot believe how fast time has flown. And so, since I am now getting ready to go off to college in a couple months, I decided to make a video for you guys about the step-by-step process of preparing for college. So if you guys are juniors or seniors in high school, or even sophomores or freshmen, this video is definitely for you, and I hope that I can help you guys feel on track and prepared to go to college. So enough of the chit chat, let's get into the video. So the very first step of preparing for college is obviously going on college visits. Kind of need to know what college you're going to go to, and so I definitely recommend going on college visits from like junior year to the summer of senior year. I think junior year is plenty early. I went the summer of my senior year because I was very undecided about what I wanted to do and where I wanted to go, but it gave me plenty of time. And I recommend visiting as many colleges as you want, like at least 2 or 3. But I mean, you get a free t-shirt every time you go, and it's like a little road trip vacation, so why not visit a bunch? If you're unsure of what colleges to even go visit, I used the College Board College Search little feature that they have for your profile, and you can use the little, like, I don't know, filters, I guess, to see like what colleges are like close to your home, or have activities and sports, or allow cars for freshmen, those kinds of things, and you can see what colleges will be good matches for you. So I definitely recommend trying that out if you're unsure of what colleges to visit. And I forgot to say, if you guys are interested in tips on like what to wear to a college visit, what to ask, what to bring, those kinds of things, I may be making a video soon about those kinds of tips for you guys, so don't be stressed, just be patient. Step number 2 is college applications. These usually start in the fall of your senior year. Most applications open up on like September 1st. And depending on how competitive your college is that you're interested in going to, I recommend applying as soon as possible, because story time from my friend, she was applying for the nursing program at her college that she wanted to go to, like her number one, and she applied on September 1st, like the very first day that it opened, and she didn't like hear back until like mid-December, because it's such a competitive program and so many people applied and stuff. So if that is the case for your college, definitely apply as soon as possible. And another good thing about applying early is that you can become a priority student. For me, I applied early enough. I don't remember if I applied in, I assume September. I don't really remember. But because I applied early enough and paid like the down payment, that I got to be a priority student, which means that I will get to pick out my schedule and my dorm room before a majority of the incoming freshman class. So that is a pretty cool perk. So if you want to be a priority student for your college, then applying early is definitely the way to go. And again, like I said with the college visits, I recommend applying to like 2 to 3 colleges. You can apply for as many as you want. Most of the time they're free, I think, unless you're like going to a really prestigious college, because another story time. So I got emails from Stanford and Yale, so I was going to apply to them, you know, just for fun, even though I wasn't going to go to them. I was like, whoa, it would be so cool if I got into like Yale or something. So I began to apply for them, but the application process was like really intense, and you had to pay like $80 to apply. So I was like, we're not gonna do that. So anyway, don't get too worried or stressed out about college applications. It's really not that stressful or competitive or anything. Most of like the normal schools, like average schools, it's really not that hard to get in. And if you want more information again about my college application story or like tips and stuff, I can make another video about that too. Just comment down below. So the third step in the college application process is scholarships. After you've applied to your college, usually you'll hear back by like November, December, so you'll know kind of where you want to go. The next important thing is scholarships, and scholarships are so important because college is expensive and you don't want like a whole bunch of student loan debt, when you're trying to make money from your job in the first couple of months and like trying to pay for an apartment, all the stress. Don't want that. And you can get most of your college paid for with scholarships if you really try. However, scholarships are kind of competitive. There's a lot out there, so I recommend applying for like as many as possible, as many as you're eligible for. My admissions counselor at my college told me to apply for like as many scholarships as you can, because a lot of like small businesses and things in your town probably have a scholarship that you don't even know about, and you may be like the only person who applies for it. So there you go, you could get like extra $500, which doesn't seem like much, but that can help you pay for textbooks or something. So it's definitely worth it to apply for scholarships. You must. If you're unsure of what scholarships are even available, talk to your high school counselor because they know of a whole bunch. My high school counselor, she sent out like a list to all of us seniors with like eligibility requirements and stuff. So yeah, talk to him or her, whoever your high school counselor is. And also, scholarships.com is a website that I use some of the time to look for scholarships that I was available for based on like where I live, my major, things like that. So if you're unsure about where to even start with scholarships, check out scholarships.com. Now again, I have another story time, but this is just kind of like a warning about scholarships. The reason you need to apply for as many as possible is because you're not going to get every single scholarship that you think you are like perfect for. I applied for like at least 10, and I've already gotten like emails and letters back from people that I've been rejected from like 4 of them. And not to brag or anything, but I'm like highly eligible. I mean, I have 4.0 GPA. I was a straight A student. I was involved in like so many activities in my high school, and I had leadership positions in quite a few of them, and I'm being rejected from scholarships. It's sad. So, not to make you feel bad or anything, but you just have to keep your head high and not give up, because eventually you will get a scholarship from somewhere. I believe in you. So, the fourth step, which is the current step that I am in right now, is looking for a roommate. Some colleges start this in like January of your senior year, but my college started in May, so as I was graduating, which is a very stressful time to do that, but it's okay. So yes, looking for a roommate, that's the process I am doing right now, and I can't really give you many tips on that right now, but if you're interested, again, comment down below and I'll make a video in the future about that. Obviously, I can't give tips because like I haven't had enough experience, but finding a roommate is very important because that is a big portion of your college experiences, having a good roommate that you enjoy. Some colleges, like mine, have a roommate questionnaire that you could fill out, and they'll either match you with someone or give you like 10 or so matches, and then you can contact them and get to know them. But a lot of people I know find their roommates on their college Facebook page for like incoming freshmen. So if you are interested, check out and see if your college has a Facebook page for freshmen and join it, because you can get to know a lot of your classmates and possibly find roommates on there. So yeah. And the last step of the process before the beginning of your college freshman year is orientation. And this hasn't happened yet for me. It'll be coming up this summer. Our college orientation was supposed to be in June, but because of the whole pandemic thing, it is moved back to July, and they're hoping to still have it in person. But at orientation, you get to pick out your schedule, pick out your dorm room, like where you want to room, and I think they'll have an opportunity for you to like meet your classmates and mingle. And you could possibly find your roommate there if you don't like doing it online, because I know that is kind of weird. Again, if you want more information about this, I can make a video after my orientation has happened. Hopefully it will happen in person, but yeah, I just want to be a resource for you guys to help you feel prepared for college, because I am the only child in my family, so I don't have an older sibling to like look up to for information about college, and my dad was the only one who went to college. My mom didn't really go to college, so he has some information for me, but he did it like differently way back then. So I just want you guys to feel confident, not nervous, just excited about college, and have all the information you need. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and if you have any more questions, comment down below. And if you have any more video suggestions about college that you want me to do, again, comment down below, because I would love to make them for you guys and help you out. So if you liked this video, then please like this video and feel free to subscribe to my channel, because I love seeing the love. So I hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe and happy and healthy, and I love you all. Bye.